Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I cannot figure out why this is so close. I kind of want it a little further away, but my camera's just being this way right now. So maybe I'll scoot back a little bit. Right. I have a roller in my hair. I'm just letting this piece right here marinate. Just did my skincare. My hair came out so pretty. I did my blowout. Oh my goodness. How pretty is it? I'm going to take this last roller down. I am in love with my hair. Baby girl, you are so pretty. Now I'm going to show you all the steps I use to get my signature blowout at home, so keep watching. Personally, my hair can last about 4 days with a blowout. After that, I have to wash my hair. My roots are oily, my hair feels dirty, gunky, like weighed down. I do use quite a bit of products in my hair, which you'll see. So I like to give my hair a good clean wash at least every 4 to 5 days. So I use this shampoo and I wash my hair twice. Then I go in with this conditioner and I let it sit for the allotted amount of time that it says, which this particular shampoo says 1 to 2 minutes to leave it in. But I actually leave it on for probably about 10 minutes. But while it's on my hair, the first thing that I do is I work the conditioner through my hair with my hands. Then I go in with a wide tooth comb and I comb it through. After combing it through, I put my hair in a clip and I put a shower cap over my hair and a towel on top to really let the conditioner sink into every strand. That has been a game changer for me. After I blow dried my hair, I put some leave-in conditioner, this product, and a heat protectant. The minute I put this product on, I noticed my hair just got super silky, like super silky, and I was like, oh, I can already, the minute I put this product on, I could already tell that it was gonna work so well. Oh, it smells so good. How can I put this? It smells like you're leaving Barbie's dream house and going to high tea in Paris. Like that is the scent that it gives. So that is my weekly shampoo routine every 4 to 5 days. And then once a month, I go in with a hydrating mask. I've been using this one that I love. This smells so good. It smells like a really high-end beauty salon. I got some on my lip. It smells like how IGK smells. Like a really high-end salon that would be in like Miami Design District or in LA. Like it smells so good. Lip gloss check. But I rotate them. So once a month I use this for deep conditioner, and then every other month when I'm not using this one, I use this gloss lamination mask by L'Oreal. Love this. I've been really loving L'Oreal products, and one thing I love about L'Oreal is it's super affordable. They're getting better with their aesthetic. It's like I really care about the product. I don't care how the marketing looks, but their marketing is phenomenal. It's just so girly and feminine, and it makes you just want to like grab it and use it. And it's so pretty just sitting on my shelf or in my shower. Also, one thing that I'm really loving about them, not only is their marketing, but the fact that L'Oreal does a lot of research on their products. And what's happening is the beauty industry is a gazillion-dollar industry, right? And what's happening is all these companies, they're competing for people to buy their products, which I think is such a good thing, because now companies are having to work a lot harder to compete. So they're doing more research, they're making their products better. We all love Oribe, we all love Kerastase, but you don't have to go out and buy those super expensive $100 plus high-end products when you can get drugstore, and there are drugstore products on the market where the research has been done and they really work. Me personally, I like both. I like a product that works. Moving my hair wash products out of the way, now I want to share with you guys my daily routine that I use to replenish the hydration in my hair. This particular method is called the Moisture and Seal method. It's where you take a conditioner. I use this one. It's the Avocado and Tamanu by Mielle. I use this conditioner. I spray it in my hands, rub it together lightly, put it all over my hair, and again, I'm just using a small dime size amount. I use the leave-in conditioner more sparingly, and then I put even less oil. This is a very lightweight oil. It is the rose oil by Anillo. It's a Korean oil. I don't know why I'm pronouncing it in Spanish. Always remember, if you're just putting oil on your hair at night, that's not hydrating your hair. You do also need a leave-in conditioner. Other than that, I'm pretty simple with my products. I use a volume spray. This Wow Style on steroids is my favorite volume spray. It is out. I also use the Nexus. This is a volume spray. I just picked up this because I couldn't get to Sephora and pick up this, but I'm actually not disappointed with this one. It works really well. Although the color Wow is my all-time favorite, I am gonna re-up on this one. The product that I do want to show you is, I use this like toward my roots at the top of my hair. This is great for, this is the Sebastian Shaper. I like it because it's a dry brushable spray. I don't put this all over my head, but I do put it at the top where I want to tame my hair and make it smooth, and then I also don't want any flyaways. This helps tremendously. It's a great product because it's super brushable. It doesn't leave your hair stiff, or it just gives you that smoothness without like product buildup or stiffness. On a day when I know I'm going to wash my hair, I go in with this massager that I got on Amazon. So I'll go and massage my roots. After that, I'll put in my Rosemary Mint Oil by Mielle. And then from there, I put on my hydrating mask. And I use this to slick my hair down. So typically how you would use like a gel. I put it all over my head, I put it on my edges, and I slick my hair back. I take this mixture and I leave it on usually about 4 hours depending what I'm doing. I'll go run errands, I'll go to the gym, and then when I come home, I'll wash my hair and I follow up with my L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. Other than that, it's super important to use a heat protectant in your hair. This is the one that I use. So that is pretty much all of my products. I will link everything below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and to like the video down below. I'll see you in my next video.